Here is a beginner-level business analyst quiz based on business needs analysis, stakeholder management, and requirements gathering and elicitation. Question 1. The process of understanding and documenting business objectives, challenges, and opportunities is called A. Business process modeling, B. Business needs analysis, C. Data analysis, D. Market research. The answer is business needs analysis. Question 2. Which of the following is a primary responsibility of a business analyst? A. Writing code for software applications. B. Managing network infrastructure. C. Identifying business needs and recommending solutions. D. Performing hardware maintenance. The answer is identifying business needs and recommending solutions. Question 3. Who are the key people that a business analyst interacts with to gather requirements? A. Stakeholders. B. Data scientists. C. System administrators. D. Test engineers. The answer is stakeholders. Question 4. What technique is commonly used to gather business requirements from stakeholders? A. SWOT analysis. B. Brainstorming. C. Financial auditing. D. Server configuration. The answer is brainstorming. Question 5. A business analyst is expected to bridge the gap between A. Business and IT teams, B. Marketing and sales teams, C. HR and finance departments, D. Legal and compliance teams. The answer is business and IT teams. Question 6. Which document defines the functional and non-functional requirements of a project? A. Project Charter. B. Business Requirement Document. BRD. C. Sprint Backlog. D. Work Breakdown Structure. The answer is Business Requirement Document. BRD. Question 7. What is the most effective way to engage stakeholders during requirements gathering? A. Emailing them a list of predefined questions. B. Conducting face-to-face meetings and workshops. C. Assigning tasks without their input. D. Avoiding their involvement until the project is complete. The answer is conducting face-to-face meetings and workshops. Question 8. Which of the following is a common challenge in stakeholder management? A. Stakeholder expectations misalignment. B. Stakeholders agreeing on everything. C. Too much project funding. D. Not enough business analysts in the team. The answer is stakeholder expectations misalignment. Question 9. What tool is commonly used for business process modeling? A. Microsoft Excel. B. BPMN, Business Process Model and Notation. C. Photoshop. D. PowerPoint. The answer is BPMN, Business Process Model and Notation. Question 10. Which requirement gathering technique involves observing stakeholders in their work environment? A. Prototyping. B. Observation, job shadowing. C. Benchmarking. D. Cost-benefit analysis. observation, job shadowing. Congratulations on completing the first set of 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. A business analyst facilitates discussions between which two key groups? A. Customers and sales representatives. B. Business stakeholders and IT developers. C. Warehouse staff and security team. D. Accountants and graphic designers. The answer is business stakeholders and IT developers. Question 12. What is a primary reason for conducting stakeholder analysis? A. To identify project risks. B. To understand stakeholders' influence and needs. C. To create technical specifications. D. To design project infrastructure. The answer is to understand stakeholders' influence and needs. Question 13. Which of these is not a requirement gathering technique? A. Interviews. B. Surveys. C. Use case diagrams. D. Network troubleshooting. The answer is network troubleshooting. Question 14. Which of the following is a functional requirement? A. The system must be available 99.9% of the time. B. Users must log in using a unique username and password. C. The website should load within 3 seconds. D. The software must support at least 1,000 concurrent users. The answer is users must log in using a unique username and password. Question 15. What document helps identify who is impacted by a project and their level of interest? A. Stakeholder register. B. Product backlog. C. Gantt chart. D. Entity relationship diagram. The answer is Stakeholder Register. Question 16. What is the main purpose of conducting a feasibility study in business analysis? A. To determine the legal aspects of a project. B. To analyze the technical, economic, and operational feasibility of a project. C. To define system architecture. D. To manage software testing. The answer is to analyze the technical, economic, and operational feasibility of a project. Question 17. Which of the following is a key responsibility of a business analyst during requirements gathering? A. Writing programming code. B. Understanding business needs and defining requirements. C. Managing cloud servers. D. Configuring network devices. The answer is understanding business needs and defining requirements. Question 18. A business analyst ensures that requirements are clear, complete, and feasible before moving to development. What is this process called? A. Requirement validation. B. System integration. C. Load testing. D. Data encryption. The answer is requirement validation. Question 19. What is the main reason for prioritizing requirements in a project? A. To reduce the workload of business analysts. B. To ensure the most critical requirements are implemented first. C. To avoid project meetings. D. To increase the complexity of project deliverables. to ensure the most critical requirements are implemented first. Question 20. Which requirement type specifies how a system should perform under certain conditions? A. Functional requirement. B. Non-functional requirement. C. Business requirement. D. Security requirement. The answer is non-functional requirement. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.